Oh no. Tesla crashes through front doors of a dispensary on 420. Guy's in a rush. He's like, got big plans for that, that day.
So excited.
Can I just say, man, the dispensaries are out of control.
I was gonna say, man, it doesn't surprise me that this is the store that they hit.
You got more dispensaries than Tim Hortons, and that says a lot in this part of town.
Absolutely, they're everywhere.
I'll tell you that right now. So
some places you're like, is this even allowed to be a store?
What do you mean by that? It's like a food truck?
No, there's one on Wellington that's just a house.
Oh, yeah, no, because those are like old houses, I guess they're allowed to be converted to commercial zoning.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, like you get like doctor. It used to be like a dentist or a doctor's office. They're like dispensary.
I don't know, man.
But it's a weird.
Some of it is just odd.
You know how I like to look at commercial real estate for fun? Some of it is a kind of strategy where they would boost the company in the early days. They were aiming to open up quick and get some crazy sales numbers and then actually sell the business along with the lease.
Right, yes.
And so they're almost all for sale, all these dispensaries that opened up. Knowing damn well that as the competition comes in, there's no way you're going to be able to maintain those sales figures.
No.
It's a whole scheme. It's a whole strategy. Get in, get out. And it's all about speed.
Yep.
Say, oh, that seems easy enough over on one of these dispensaries, whatever it happens to be.
Yeah, the upfront cost is not a lot either to like build a dispensary. I mean, most of them look like
a room.
Look like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. It's true.
I think the difficulty is just the paperwork.
And staffing.
Yeah.
How many people?
4 guys maximum.
Oh, you got upset there.
No, I'm just saying it's not a lot.
You're not happy with the employees over there. Most like staffing. Yeah, right. That's one way to beat the line on 420.
Oh, that's what they said. That's what you said.
The Tesla is shown in the video attempting to park slowly before randomly picking up speed and crashing into the front of the building. Shout out Tala. Shout out Byron. Now, what do you think? Was this one individual already indulging in the 420 prior to getting there? Was he re-upping on the 420?
I hope not. It's no good.
So this security cam footage of what, a Y or a X?
Okay. Slowly.
Very slowly.
Very slowly.
Comically.
Also,
looks like it's an X.
It's an X, okay.
Yeah.
And then they roll over the guard and the sidewalk and just runs over, taking out the car beside.
Oh my God, there were so many moments to be like,
I'm not do that
things.
Yeah.
To not do what they did.
Yeah. This guy just got into his car too. Oh my God! And then
his car gets mangled as well, right?
He's like, if I just left a few seconds
he's
earlier.
about to have to have his own 420.
He's so excited.
No! His day's ruined.
Yeah. And then his wife is like, what happened to the front bumper? And he's like, well, I stopped by the dispensary.
And she's like, great.
Dangerous spot. Shout out LaterClips Security. Wow.
Whoa.
I think that's our new band hammer in the chat. What's going on here? Let me think for a second.
Okay, can we pause?
I would suggest this person hasn't driven that car very often. They're borrowing it or something and they're just not familiar because those cars will move. No, they won't. What am I talking about? They brake. That guy's pushing the accelerator the whole time.
Yeah, because
they brakes if you let go.
There's no saving grace for this.
No, there is. He thought he was on the brake. He thought he was on the brake. He wasn't on the brake. He's on the accelerator. I don't know. Or he's just 420. It could just be 420.
I think I'm gonna say it's just 420.
You're saying that it's 420.
He hits that, then he hits the pole, then he hits the car, then he goes over the ledge.
He's got the wipers going. He's got the wipe. He just goes.
Ding, 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 and then the final ding.
He's in the car.
Yeah. Well, yeah, he's
just like, okay.
Okay, let me ask you, what happens in the aftermath of this? Does he still grab his weed or no?
No. You got bigger problems, dude. Yeah, you got way bigger problems.
It's like totally spoiled at that point.
There's no resolution for this.
How about the guy in the Nissan? What does he do?
I'm sure he gets out.
Yeah. Well, no, he also's got bigger problems too now, though.
I mean, his car looks worse, maybe.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Well, the whole front bumper's ripped off.
He'll definitely need that joint of his.
Okay, there was a question for Mo. I just feel like out of respect, I want to see if we can get to it. It was a super chat. It was asking about something financial.
Oh no! Don't make.
Well,
this
you got to give the respect to give the super chat.
Okay.
Hold on.
You got to give the respect.
My answer's gonna be like,
just click on it, Will. Click on it so we can see. Can you click on it?
I can't see, but I can read it.
Okay.
Binance just recovered 5.8 million out of 600 million Axie Infinity hack.
And what's the advice that he needs from Mo?
Want something related. Want something stocks related, Mo.
Oh, just something
like
stocks related. Okay.
Just anything stocks related.
Go ahead, Mo. Give us something stocks related real quick. You have
good way to beat inflation.
That's the most generic thing you could have said, Mo.
Well, come on.
I think we want more specifics. Give us a buy.
No, I'm not telling people what to do with their money.
Give us a quick buy.
No.
What are we buying today?
Buy
Mo?
the Lou Later stock.
Okay, good idea. Buy the community stock.
Exactly.
That's a rough way to spend 420. I mean, yeah, definitely. Ooh, I like that. Your nickname is Market Mo. I like that.
Oh wow.
Okay.
I'm getting that tatted.
Whoa, you got fired up.
nice.
You were all over the place there. You're like,
That's my YouTube channel.
You love that.
Make sure that handle's not
You
taken.
love that Market Mo.